Could be a 3-pounder sitting over here. Oh crap. Oh my God, dude. I'm not hung up. That's a fish, dude. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we caught so many bass today that we're gonna have to split the video into 2 videos. So I know y'all ain't gonna mind that. So we've been out here catching spawning bass. So let's get to it. Come on back. I see fish. Yeah? Maybe? Hold still, little bro. Good one, good one. Got him in. Go. Oh! It's a nice spotted bass. Yeah, he's pretty. Red eyes on him. Now look, see them logs?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's that kind of stuff stuck under the barge. There's another one right here. This is great in the summer, dude.
Pulled him right out from under there. Nice, dude.
Hold still, bro. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. You almost got there. Yeah. Self-releaser.
Got one?
He got off. Dude, there's some fish back here. Let's watch Jack get him. Get him, Jack. He about swallowed it. He broke my net rig. He broke my net rig, guys. Little sucker. Well, hold on. Where'd that come from?
Yeah, that was weird.
I ain't seen no boat go now. Did you get it?
Yo. Another one.
Smoking them.
Another.
Good Lord. Missed another one.
3 strikes, you're out, buddy.
It was like right here. 5 feet of water. Spotted bass.
Spotted bass? Wow,
Yeah.
look how chubby it is.
I think they're spawning right here.
Must be.
I missed 2 or 3 sitting right here. Right beside the deep water. It went from 5 to 10. Go on back down there, buddy. With your boyfriend. Let's go get Jack unstuck. You got it? Right here. Right here. Right here. Right beside this deep water. It's perfect too. There's no wind, nothing. Big one. Oh my God.
It's actually there.
He came off.
No, it didn't.
Oh, he's on there. Oh God. I thought he'd come off.
Holy cow, dude. That's a good one.
Come on. He was swimming to me, I guess. All of a sudden, I didn't feel nothing. I was like, "Hey, come on." No, he didn't. It's on today, boys. It's on. It's on. Hey, one thing, you gotta smell these fish. Smell them. Yeah, smell good, don't they? And he's splashing. Just sniff them. Give him a little sniff. I was like, the fish smell different here. I was like,
Are you kidding me?
right in your line. Oh shoot. It's tangled, dude.
Oh, sick.
I was trying to get him to jump over your line. Thanks, buddy. I don't know, buddy.
Uh-oh, bud. That's not good.
This is...
Just untie the lines.
Ouch, I just cut mine off. Give me my net back. Quit doing that. Yeah, I don't know what, if that's a knot in that or what. Could be a 3-pounder sitting over here. Oh crap. Oh my God, dude. I'm not hung up. That's a fish, dude. Oh my God, another big smallie. Dude, I thought I was caught on a rock.
Oh my God, I know.
Oh, he was not that big.
Nicely done, bro.
Jack's wanting to leave. Hey, you ain't leaving this damn spot. Yeah. Beautiful. It's a beaut, man. Beautiful smallmouth. Thanks, buddy. Well, dude, I could have sworn I was caught on a rock.
Yeah,
Unless he-
you said that.
Unless he picked it up out of the rock.
That was good.
That's pretty good. I don't know if it come off and then he bit it off the rock, or he got me unhung.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy. Small ones, big ones, medium ones. All of them are over here. Over here making babies. The mini beaver.
Yeah.
The mini mad beaver.
Angry. Yeah, not as angry.
He's not. The friendly beaver. The friendly beaver. Must be a bed right over there. I just missed one over there. They're probably picking it up and scooting it out of their bed. They don't like creatures in there.
Yeah, they sure don't.
They don't like creatures. Let's try right here. Oh. 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 Boom.
Yeah. Good smallie.
Good job. This is a whack fest. I'm gonna have a 30-minute video. Let me see.
Yeah, another nice smallie in this spot. They must be bedding up right here.
Making babies over here, guys. All right. This should be good. On the back side of it should be really good. I'm gonna put this camera on. We may freaking... I don't know what's gonna...
catch a fucking bird.
I don't know what's gonna happen. In this spot here, they like to spawn over by them things. It's
Like by the little pillar thing?
yeah, there's a bunch of rock over there. They'll spawn right over here. It's protected. It's out of the... Get off of that. Protected from the current.
Yeah, there's got to be something back there. It looks like a perfect place for them to spawn.
Yeah. Right over there off of the... right over there. They're spawning right over there. Thanks, buddy.
Miss one?
Bad thing is you can't see them.
Okay, what the hell?
I told you they was over here. I'll let you cast on it first and everything. This one's got red eyes. That's a male. That other one was a female. This is the male. Spawning right here. Awesome, dude. Wow. Wow, look at the colors on that fish.
Beautiful, dude.
Oh my gosh. That's a female. Wow.
Look at that thing.
Look how pretty.
Really
that fish.
cool stripes on this fish.
Wow. Female. Hey, I called it, didn't I? So,
You did, bro.
they're right here, dude. They're right here, dude. They're right here, right under your freaking nose.
Oh my god, one after the other after the other.
I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to get you like that.
Oh my gosh. One after another, dude. This is how I remember it.
That's how we roll. That's a male. I'm fishing the same spot each time. I ain't even moved. The same spot over and over and over. catching different fish out of there every time.
There he is again.
Jack, it's not the same fish, bro. There's no hook marks in them. We found some spotted bass. They're spawning. It's every cast. It is so fun. It's so fun, guys. Glad y'all here. Enjoy this. Maybe a long video. May make 2 videos out of this stuff. Same fish. Okay, I didn't get a bite that time. I'll move a little bit. See if there's another bed over there. Definitely the same fish, Jack. That's the same fish I just caught, definitely.
I swear we're just catching the same guy over and over again.
Be cool to see the beds though, you know what? To see the fish on the beds.
Yeah.
Instead of just kind of blind fishing for them. All right, let's go to the next spot.
Oh, that was a good one.
All right, guys, hey, closing out the video. Nashville spawning bass today, boys, was fun. It was fun. Jack.
Oh, we had a great day. We knew it going in that we were gonna be on some fish, and there was no doubt from the beginning we were gonna have a good day. It was awesome.
One
it was so
right
fun.
after another.
Oh man, yeah. And then you caught all those big smallmouth. It was perfect. Largemouth, smallmouth, spotted bass.
Hey, you caught
Trifecta.
You caught
We got that
bass.
big one in the beginning. It was a great day. It was great.
It was fun. It was fun. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Y'all get out there fishing.